And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to use basic shapes even for Wordmark logos in Adobe Illustrator. Let us make sure that we've got the smart guides and snap to point activated. Now we'll create the basic shapes using the rectangle tool. Press V for the selection tool, I'll size it down, make it a bit slimmer. Then I'll hold Alt, drag a copy out of it, and I'll hold Shift and rotate it. We need a circle, so I'll use the ellipse tool for that. Hold Shift when I drag it. Press V for the selection tool, and now I resize that holding Shift, top to bottom. Now I use the Start tool to create a triangle, use the arrow keys until we've got only a triangle, hold Shift and release it. I put it down, the smart guides help me with that. And then I resize it holding Shift using the selection tool V. So these are the basic shapes that we need. I drag copies out of that with the selection tool, press V for that, and rotate it holding Shift. Next shape, I'm going to put it here. Make sure it's still selected, then hold Ctrl and connect these two anchor points. I'll make that red. So this is just the negative space. Kind of like the kerning between the letters that I want to create. That's fine. Let me show you another method I like to use when I work on word marks. I'll make that yellow. And if I put it now to the right side, you see that the circle has a different width than the triangle. So let me delete that, put another yellow one here, and now I resize the triangle. So now the width is the same and the negative space between the two elements is the same as well. I want to keep these basic units as a distance. It's already the third letter, and I'll repeat the process for the next letters as well. Now we can just copy this one. I shift click on the three elements, then I hold Alt, and I've got the letter copied. When you want to check if you've got your stuff positioned correctly, it always helps to use the outline mode. Press Ctrl Y for that. If you want to return to the normal view, you can press Ctrl Y once again. Let's work on the next letter. I shift click on both circles, then I hold Shift, size it down. This is the only letter I want to distort, so I don't have perfect circles here, but I want to keep the width of the letters. And the final letter. Let's get back to our basic shapes up here. I'll hold Alt to drag copies out of it. And that's fine. This is what I wanted to create. Now select all the yellow elements. We don't need that anymore. And I'll shift click on all the red elements and I'll delete that as well. Now I can select what we've got here. I simply hold Shift, size it down, right click and group it. Let me make that white and I create a background and let me align it first to the center. And now I use the rectangle tool and create a background. I'll make that red. Press V for the selection tool. Then right click, arrange and send to back. And here you've got a Wordmark logo for YouTube, created with only basic shapes. That method doesn't always work for every company, but it's worth a try. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.